Cake Sky. Today we will be making water fizz. What we'll be needing is citric acid, baking soda, a cup of water, a little spoon, and something to mix with. First, we're adding some citric acid. Make sure you don't eat it or let any siblings eat it. 1 spoon, 2 spoons, 3, 4, and then you want to add some color with watercolors. I chose the color purple. Mix it up good so that all the color gets mixed. Add a little baking soda. Get ready for it to fizz. Voila! The fizzy effect is about to wear off. Let's pour some more baking soda. You want to always look out for the first bubbles. They're really big. It's really easy steps, fun and exciting. Try it at home. And please subscribe. Bye.